Recep Tayyip Erdogan, a controversial political giant and Turkey's longest-serving leader. The country has changed in many ways in his 2 decades in power. He has altered the parliamentary system to a presidential one, giving himself considerable new powers.
Many opponents have been arrested and free speech limited, with journalists, academics, and Kurdish politicians targeted.
At the start of his presidency, as a member of NATO, Turkey was seen as an ally of the West, even bidding to join the European Union. However, he has recently enhanced relations with Putin's Russia. During the war in Ukraine, it has been a difficult balancing act, but he helped broker a deal allowing Ukrainian grain exports.
Since 1928, Turkey has had a constitution with no state religion. Mr. Erdogan is a devout Muslim, but has denied wanting to impose Islamic values on the country.
However, he has frequently championed Islamist causes, and his party helps lift a ban on women wearing headscarves in many public jobs.
Anneliği reddeden, evini çekip çevirmekten vazgeçen bir kadın, iş dünyasında istediği kadar başarılı olsun, özgünlüğünü kaybetme tehlikesiyle karşı karşıyadır, eksiktir, yarımdır.
He has praised motherhood, condemned feminists, and said men and women cannot be treated equally.
Early on, he oversaw a fall in inflation and a rise in living standards for millions. He championed massive infrastructure projects, though some criticized their cost. But recent high inflation has led to an economic crisis, with widespread unemployment and the lira's value plummeting. Turkey is also recovering from recent earthquakes that killed over 50,000 people. Many were disappointed in the government's response. How these issues play out in the coming elections could define Turkey for years to come.